Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanna show my lip swatches of these MERZY lip tints. MERZY is one of my favorite Korean brands. They get a very beautiful lip tints. I have three lip tint series from MERZY, which are Aurora Tint, Mellow Tint, and Heritage Velvet Tint. So right now I'm wearing this V19 Dragon Rose shade. So in this video, as usual, I'm gonna show you my lip swatches and arm swatches and talk about these formulas. So without further ado, let's get into it. So those were all of my swatches, and let me talk about these formulas. So the first formula I swatched is this Aurora Tint. These are so beautiful, like this spreads like water and this looks very glossy. So this formula is easily one of my favorite glossy lip tint formulas. And these colors are so pretty. I have the shades Cinnamon Glaze and Burnt Sienna. These are very nuanced, like brownish colors. Cinnamon Glaze is like caramel kind of shade, and Burnt Sienna is like purpley brownish shade. Yeah, I love these kinds of shade. So if you like glossy lip tints, this Aura Dew Tint formula never disappoints you. And next I wanna talk about these Mellow tints. So Mellow tints are cream finish lip tints. This formula is not a special kind of formula, but these colors are amazing. These are very nuanced and muted to a perfect extent. So if you like a nuanced, a little bit muted kind of colors, you definitely will love these. And lastly, I want to talk about this Heritage Velvet Tint formula. So this formula is matte, as this is named velvet, but this is not like a drying matte. Yeah, this is very thin texture. These are very comfortable on your lips. This is ink velvet from peripera. This has more of like thick texture in a good way. Like this feels in your lip lines, but these are more of thinner formula. As I said earlier, I am wearing V19 of this formula. Yeah, this is like perfect reddish copper, reddish orange. I don't know. Yeah, I really like this shade. So I think MERZY are less popular in the West, but I want you guys love these lip tints because these are as good as like other famous brands like peripera or Etude House. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So see you on the next video. Bye.